Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we even get started on this brand new video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell right now so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. So for today's new video, I am testing out or trying out a product. It is the Natural Tan ShadowSence by Senegence, and let me tell you, it is amazing. This is just one color, so if you want to know how it turns out, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm doing something brand new. You guys all have seen my Lipsence lip gloss Scarlet from like a week ago, I think, and I wanted to try out the ShadowSence by Senegence, and so I have the newest one, Natural Tan, and I already put on all of my makeup. I have not put on this. I have never tried ShadowSence, so this is my first time. I'm actually kind of a beginner, so yeah, if you're a beginner and you're interested in Senegence, they have amazing products that will last you a long time. So I haven't even opened this one up, so I'm going to do that right now. But before I do that, I wanted to say what ShadowSence benefits are. So the Natural Tan and all of the ShadowSence products are a cream base that turns to powder, so it's not gonna like droop down or anything, and you have 60 to 90 seconds to fix it before it sets and dries. So you have about a minute and 30 seconds, basically a minute and a half to do it. It lasts, I don't know if I told you this, it lasts till you take it off. So, you know, if you go to work and you work 8 hours, you come home, it's going to last through your work day, or if you have a party that you're going to, and also it is anti-aging. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. So I wanted to tell you guys all that before I even started opening it up. So it is sealed. I'm showing that right there. It is sealed, hasn't been opened. So I am opening it. It clicked, and my friend who sells Senegence told me that you don't need much of it. So I'm only going to put a little on my eye. See? Now, oh shoot. I'm going to use this brand new brush set that I got from Marshall's a couple months ago. I should have opened this before I went on camera. So, okay, sorry, I made a lot of noise. So I'm going to take, it's the Wonder Limited Eye brush set. So I'm going to take this eye brush right here and take it and just smooth it out. Oh my gosh, like I can tell a difference, like majorly. You can also, for Senegence products, you can also use them for different, different stuff. If you wanted to use concealer, you could use the ShadowSence Candlelight, and I'm pretty sure you could use this for a concealer. So that's like the major like thing about them. Like you can use it for multiple things. Now that is just a base and it's going to last me until I take it off. And I'm just around the house today not doing much, so, and you don't need much of it, so that's kind of a lot, I think. So I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it out. You can also use this as a base. Now I do have another color that I'm going to show you a different day, but for today I'm just showing you this. And like if you wanted to add more, you can. Like I could definitely add more so that it would be more brighter, so I would have more colors. So I'm gonna do that. Add a little bit more. And brush it on. So I'm gonna do I don't know if you guys can see that, but totally different color. So I have been watching videos on YouTube of ShadowSence and stuff, and people said, I don't know if this is true or not, so don't quote me, but people have said that you can use ShadowSence and then your other eyeshadows and they will last longer. I don't know if that's true or not. So I think I just like this color, and I could also use it for concealer. So I really like this, guys. I like it a lot. I would totally recommend this for a base. So I'm going, it's very like neutral color, natural tan, but it also kind of like, it's a, not a shimmery color, kind of a matte color. And so it kind of looks like pinky on my, and don't worry, that is just a breakout. Just showed up there today. So I'm going to put on my mascara and see how it is with it. Oh yeah, like really looks really good. And now this is just one color. You could actually like layer multiple colors on it, and I'm pretty sure that it would look really pretty. I want to try, well, I'll definitely try the other one that I have by itself for one day, and then I'll try both of them together. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera, I was looking in the mirror because it is very hard to do this without looking in the mirror. And I am using the Clump Crusher CoverGirl mascara. I found out I did not like this in the beginning, but I found out that it works really well. So now I am going to trying to find my, oh, here it is. I forgot to do my brows and I always forget, so I'm gonna do that in the video where I can finish up. But this is how it turned out. It's like a peachy, like natural tan, like that's what it's called. I like it by itself, so I am going to finish up here and I will come back with the end result of the video. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the Natural Tan ShadowSence by Senegence. This is just one color. Like, it is amazing. It almost like looks peachy on me, which I love neutral colors. But I am in love with this already. I have never used this till now, and it is amazing. Like, I am in love with it. I have another color to try, so I'm going to try that one separate in a different video, and then I'm going to add those two together and layer them and see how it turns out in another video, so stay tuned for that. But I totally recommend that you, if you're a beginner and you're scared, I would start with this natural tan, and it is one of the new ShadowSence that just came out like a couple of weeks ago. So if you are interested in any of the products that are Senegence sells, please go press my Instagram. It's under About, and you can message me there about the products, or also you can find my Facebook page. It's Redesign16 Redesign16 on Facebook, and you can message me there. Also, it's Redesign. If you haven't followed me and you're trying to find me to message me, it's also, there's a link on my YouTube About. You can click there, and also you can follow me, but it's Redesign16 on Instagram. So I am in love with this. Totally recommend that you try it out, and I'm pretty sure you will love it too. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. I can't even talk right. It must be the beginning of the week. Please like this video. Please also don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching, and also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Okay, so one more thing I forgot to say about the Natural Tan and ShadowSence, and all of the ShadowSence, they are waterproof and smudge proof, so they won't come off until you take it off with your remover by Senegence. So I totally forgot to say that, so now it's the end, or the end result of the video, or however you want to say it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Please leave a comment in what you think and if you used this product before. So thanks for watching.